Today we are going to talk about 5 basic and easy steps towards a healthier life. These steps are really basic and you will find them really easy if you are one of the beginners towards this journey. The first one, make sure you're keeping your meals home cooked. The home cooked meals can also be tricky at times. You may want to watch for your meals being really simple in terms of preparation and also having as much natural ingredient as possible. Try to keep off all the commercial products when it comes to making your food the one that you eat every day at least. The more simple and easy your meals are, the lighter they are on your body and the lighter it gets for your body to put off these meals in terms of digestion. Coming to the next point, hydrate yourself well. Many a times what happens is you get a feeling peckish, you feel like you want to eat something. Ideally, that could be the time your body is actually calling in for water. Our thirst and hunger signals can get us confused. Practice a pause. Next time you look out for munching onto something, it could be your body asking you for 2 glasses of water. So practice pause and try to hydrate yourself well enough even in between the meals. Your water is a magical fluid and this water can help you lose weight. This water can help you clear the toxins. This water intake will also give you that luster and glowing skin that you have been yearning for. The third point, exercise. Now this exercise may sound a very big word to few. You have to mark only 150 minutes a week. That's not a big thing to do. So you may want to start really basic. Start with probably 30 minutes 5 days a week or start with 30 minutes 7 days a week upon you. Keep a target as basic as 150 minutes a week and feel happy and glorious about the small achievements you make on this journey towards healthy you. The fourth one, laugh. Laughing is something that we take very lightly, don't we? So laughing is a very good exercise for our lungs and it's even a better exercise for our mind. You may want to see yourself when you laugh and then you stop. That feeling of goodness is completely different. And this feeling is also owing to the kind of impact it has on our overall body and its performance even on immunity. So there are studies in fact which say that laughing can give a boost to T cell activity. That is these cells that are responsible for keeping up the immunity balance in our body. So laugh out aloud. Read books that make you laugh. Watch movies that make you laugh. But laugh. And the fifth one, breathe. Breathe deep. Deep breathing has a very calming impact on our overall system and also our mind. So here are these basic 5 steps that you may want to take to get started on your journey of health.